Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about Krebs cycle adventures. Did you know? This cycle is also known as TCA cycle and citric acid cycle. So, are you guys ready? Let's go! Before this cycle started, glucose must undergo glycolysis. This will produce pyruvate. Pyruvate is then converted to acetyl-CoA. This is catalyzed by pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, or also known as PDH. The initial step of this cycle is when acetyl-CoA is condensed with oxaloacetate and produce citrate. This reaction is catalyzed by citrate synthase that is found in mitochondrial matrix. Citrate is then isomerized to isocitrate in reversible reaction, catalyzed by aconitase. Next, isocitrate is oxidized to alpha-ketoglutarate with the help of isocitrate dehydrogenase. This is when NAD is reduced to NADH and carbon dioxide is released. Next, alpha-ketoglutarate is oxidized to succinyl-CoA. This reaction is catalyzed by alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. This process also releases carbon dioxide and NAD is reduced to NADH. After that, succinyl-CoA will be converted to succinate. This reaction is catalyzed by succinyl-CoA synthetase. There is also a phosphorylation of GDP to GTP. After that, succinate is oxidized to fumarate by succinate dehydrogenase, a complex enzyme tightly bound to the inner mitochondrial membrane. This releases FADH2. After that, fumarate is then hydrated to form L-malate. This is catalyzed by fumarase. The final reaction from this cycle is when malate is converted to oxaloacetate. This is catalyzed by malate dehydrogenase. NAD is reduced to NADH. And that's all from TCA cycle.
So right now guys, we are going to memorize this substrate by using these acronyms. Oh cantiknya! Isteri, Ahmad, sungguh, suci, flawless, mulus. O for oxaloacetate, cantiknya for citrate, isteri for isocitrate, Ahmad for alpha-ketoglutarate, sungguh for succinyl-CoA, suci for succinate, flawless for fumarate, and mulus for malate.
And last but not least, acronyms for enzymes. These sets of acronyms are related to collage. And the acronyms are: collage, angsana, is a safe suite for male. Collage for citrate synthase, angsana for aconitase, is for isocitrate dehydrogenase, is for alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, safe for succinyl-CoA synthetase, sweet for succinate dehydrogenase, for fumarase, male for malate dehydrogenase.
Thank you for watching!